Our first robot product, minipupper, had a wonderful workshop at the REMARS event this year. We will also have workshops at ROS2, Ubuntu Summit, and re:Event events. With LiDAR and camera modules, minipupper can perform self-driving capabilities like SLAM, navigation, object tracking, and pet detection features for providing a live connection with your pets. We're back now and excited to launch our next robot products. Not only supporting all the previous features, but also rethinking the standard of servo robot dog with our new custom smart servo system. There are endless possibilities. It's an entirely new experience. ROS2 is more and more popular than ever, but it's difficult to find a right-legged robot in the market to study. The new minipuppers support not only ROS1, but also ROS2. They are the extremely capable legged robots you've been waiting for. The most important creations are the new servos. Unlike other robots, you are not required to perform manual calibration numerous times. With just a single click, calibration will run automatically. Furthermore, minipupper 2 Pro Servo has not only positive feedback, but also velocity and torque feedback. You can explore closed-loop control with GRF feedback. We are certain you will be amazed again by our new robot. There are so many other cool updates. Support both Raspberry Pi and Arduino. Use mic and speaker to create voice interactions. Custom wall power adapter to develop easily. Mobile controller to play easily. There are multi-language online courses, lots of YouTube video clips, and Discord channels as well. It's also an awesome toy to build a strong and healthy bond with their child. We designed the top surface to add the external LiDAR and camera sensors much easier. And we'll add more interesting features than you expected. We support several rewards. You can select what you need. This is the new minipupper. Join us and bring the robot into reality again. Thank you.